Hello dear friend, do you like this LED soft cylindrical LED screen? This is a GOB flexible LED module and purchased by a Colombian customer. And the one flexible LED module, this size is 320 by 160 mm, 2 pixel pitch. And we use the GOB process, so that is have a high waterproof and a dustproof and high seismic characteristics. This cylindrical screen is 3.8 meters wide and 2 meters high, with the overall refresh rate of 3840 Hz. It will provide an excellent visual experience for you. Whether indoor or outdoor, it's able to show clear and vivid picture, which is to bring you a stunning effect to the audience. And it's a combination of art and technology. Its unique experience and high appearance, high performance features is will undoubtedly eye-catching in exhibitions and other occasions. Okay, if you like or like dreaming, don't forget to follow us. I will introduce the different LED screen to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.